Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since we last talked. I've been super busy with work and it's been tough for me to make content between all of it. I'm sorry for that. By the way, today I want to show you something useful for your job. As you already know, as web developer, our job is to find solutions to problems that our customers are facing. We're not expected to code everything from scratch just to be considered a real web developer. One way to find solutions is by using tools, and one tool that I found to be super effective is ChatGPT. Okay, for those who don't know, ChatGPT is an NI language model created by OpenAI that can provide text-based answers to your questions or requests. It's like talking to a super smart computer that understands human language and gives sensible responses. Okay, so why am I talking about ChatGPT today? Because it can help you speed up your coding projects. You can ask ChatGPT to code for you based on the criteria you provide, so you don't have to start from scratch. Let me show you how. First, let's go to the ChatGPT website. You can type chat.openai.com into your browser. If it's your first time using it, you will need to sign up. Then open an IDE to test your code. I usually use the online IDE stackbase.com because it's easy to use. On the ChatGPT website, you can enter any message to get a response from the AI. In this video, I will enter a message like this. Create a simple to-do list using ReactJS. Please include only two files, JavaScript and CSS files. The feature should include an add button on top that works when you hit enter. Each to-do item should have edit button and delete button. Okay, now let's press enter. And boom, ChatGPT is working for you. Sometimes ChatGPT stop working, but that's no issue because you can hit this button, so it will continue to respond. Okay, done. Let's take a look. We have app.css and app.js. Perfect. As requested, ChatGPT has created two files for us, and let's copy and paste both of them into the IDE. This one for the JavaScript files, and the CSS file. In less than a minute, we can create a to-do list app. Now let's try the feature of the to-do list. Enter a new to-do: shopping, swimming, have lunch, coding. Okay, good. Now let's edit. Okay, good. Now let's delete. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's try again. We'll ask ChatGPT to create a registration form with some standard components using ReactJS. The methods will be like this. Create a registration form using ReactJS and include the CSS file. The form should include text fields for name and email, and a picker to select your birth date. Radio buttons to select gender, a selection field to select nationality, and a submit button that triggers an alert with the summary of the form. And hit enter. Okay, done. Let's take a look at the result. We'll copy and paste again the JavaScript and CSS files into the IDE. Okay. And the CSS file. Okay, perfect. Now let's try the form. Name, email, and birthday. Okay. Let's hit random birthday for the sake of this tutorial. Gender male, nationality United States, and let's press the submit button. Okay, perfect. The form trigger alert that summarizes the field form. Okay, that's pretty good. The form works fine. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. That was blessed. So, what's next? If you look at this ChatGPT create apps, actually they are pretty basic. We can still make some tweaks to get the result we want, but most importantly, these results are already helpful to speed up our coding process and make our work more efficient. For me, ChatGPT will replace the role of a web developer for sure, but it can definitely help speed up the process. It's like having a cooking assistant while the chef is cooking, the assistant is preparing the half-cooked ingredients, and ChatGPT will prepare the boilerplate code that you can use in your coding projects. Okay, let me tell you, it's so cool. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. And see you in the next video. Bye.